actually really hard to do the camera and drive. Payback's a bitch. That was a good jump. And try not to get hit by you. If that thing will kill someone. Where did it go? Where'd who go? Oh, look at you! Can't scare a jackrabbit out of the hole. Holy smokes! Look how filthy this thing got. Took them down to 8%, a lot lower than I like to go, but that's what happens when you're just having way too much fun. Here, you should put that one next to mine.
Oh, what's that? Oh, it's a rock. I thought it was a nail.
Look at that. Oh, a little hot in the bottom. Look at the size of these things. It was bashing at its finest.
Yeah, I recovered it. Ha! That was cool.
So after today's run, we discovered another flaw. Well, actually, it's the same flaw. Let's see if I can show this. See, the front wheel is just spinning freely because the pin, I don't know if you can see it in there, has fallen out. This side did the same thing to me on the first run, and you can see my little modification that I did. You see the screw and bolt. That seemed to be a pretty good fix. Sorry, it's hard to turn this at the same time here. You can kind of see that was my fix-it. Now Redcat's been really good about getting me replacement parts. So I actually have 2 spare axles, but I think doing this bolt is an excellent fix-it. This has got a fiber locking nut on the one side, so it won't come out. So I think I'm just going to do the other one on this one to modify it, and if I break those, then I'll have replacement front axles. But that seems to be the only weak point on this. But I'll tell you what, this truck's been a lot of fun to play. Good little stunt truck. It's a wheelie monster and a blast with just the 4S. Now we'll have to try doing a run a 6S in it next time, but I think I'll need to take it to the beach and have a little more open area for it. And the steering servo, for some reason, I've already replaced it because it was shorting out. And I went ahead and did a modification for underneath. I did the clamp style arm on it because the one that was with it was plastic. So I went ahead and upgraded that since I already taken it apart. But I put a nice digital steering servo on there, and it's really responsive. This thing turns on a dime. But, you know, overall, aside from a few little things here and there, it's been a great little basher, and I have beaten the heck out of this thing.